Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to change your Audi A6 engine air filter. This is a straightforward maintenance task that you can easily do yourself. You'll typically find the air filter housing in the engine bay. You will need just a few basic tools, like a flathead screwdriver, and of course, a new air filter. Replacing it regularly offers significant benefits for your vehicle. First, open your Audi A6's hood and locate the engine air filter box, usually a large black plastic housing. Gently pull up on the engine cover to remove it. It's held by clips. Next, you'll see 2 to 4 metal clamps around the airbox cover. Unclip these. For easier access, you might need to carefully detach any hoses or electrical connectors, like the mass airflow sensor, from the housing. Once the clamps are released, lift the airbox cover and carefully remove the old, often dirty air filter element. Take a moment to clean out any leaves, dust, or debris from inside the air filter housing. A shop vacuum works well here. Now, insert your brand new air filter, making sure it sits flush and correctly within the housing. Finally, reattach any hoses or sensors you disconnected earlier. To finish, securely fasten all the metal clips on the airbox cover, ensuring a tight seal. Then, reinstall your engine cover by pressing it back into place. A clean air filter can improve your fuel economy by up to 10% and significantly prolong your engine's life by keeping harmful particles out. You'll notice better engine performance and reduced emissions, making this a worthwhile and easy maintenance task.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.